line up on the inside. Pit road is closed. One lap to green. Get ready, going green.
Trying to drive like morons, yeah?
The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Outside. Clear. Outside. Clear outside.
Early 14, gonna make it one lap.
I'm trying to keep off the guy who's sideways outside of me, Sal.
The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed.
You hear me?
Let the 7 car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Guy jumped sideways outside of me, so I tried to give him room, alright?
Look pretty wide on the last one. Good idea, boys.
You were the one who made it 3 wide, you were behind me on the bottom.
Past the 8 car. Pit road is now open.
All I did was run the bottom and see out the right side. I'm up.
If you're going to play about 3 wide dirt racing, you might as well just go back to asphalt that up.
Never raced asphalt a day in my life, buddy.
That's why I'm sitting in the back right now. I didn't
Pit
qualify
road is
good, so I'm
closed.
in no hurry to get up front, because I know everyone in front's going to wreck out anyways.
So everyone would just be patient and get through turns 1 and 2.
By going into turn 1, it blames it on cars in front of it.
Be very fun and racy. Just get through 1 and 2.
You guys are going to cry this much. You probably shouldn't race Eldora. This is a demo derby. You should know that coming into it.
Exactly.
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside.
Difference between crying and just wondering what the fuck happened. Alright.
Scary thought that some of these guys with C-Class licenses that haven't run dirt a day in their lives can literally walk into a 360 sprint car server if they're screwing around in these. The bad knees.
Get ready, going green.
Well, I mean, the 360s aren't that bad here. Alright guys, let's go wreck each other, come on.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Car inside. Clear. Inside. Clear. Car inside.
Sorry about that.
Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Stay high. Clear. Car inside. Still there. Go high. Clear inside. The yellow flag is out. Line up. Single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 7 car.
Love you too, man.
We're going to do a spot job on somebody. Let's be clear.
The
You weren't even
car
close.
by. Pit road is now open.
Yeah, I realized that after the fact.
You can't really spot job somebody when they're already on the back end of somebody too. I mean, you better just wreck both of us.
I was gonna try and keep it down there a little lower and leave a top roof, but my right rear kind of caught your left front.
Pit road is closed. Past the 8 car.
That's a big 10 for him. Me and you, man, we always have some good racing, right?
As long as you don't do anything stupid like that again.
Justin, you did the same thing to me in the first time of the race.
Difference is I was clear.
No, you hit me both lines.
Well, I was definitely clear.
1 lap to green.
There's a
Line
difference
up
between being
outside.
clear by an inch and not being clear at all.
Don't get me wrong, I do hate Fuller, but he is right this time.
Yeah, there's a difference in being clear and not being clear, though. I got 2 eggs.
A good driver, when he knows he can't make a
Get
side
ready,
jump, should
going
be able
green.
to back out of it and at least get a 0X if he even.
IRacing is a good driver.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag.
Sending it, boys.
Car outside. Clear outside. Car outside. Clear outside. Outside. Clear outside. The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed.
Did you get eggs from that? You got into me pretty hard there.
Pit road is now open.
I guess not. Appreciate it, though. There's no power for these trucks down low.
No, it's really only good on
Pit road
restarts.
is closed. You've got 10 laps to go.
I feel like before they updated these were better last week when I was testing in them.
These trucks handle absolutely terrible on the tacky track. Slick track are a lot better. I don't know why I'm off today. I think I screwed up my wheel too much because I played with it. I think they just need to give third a little more gear or take a little, I don't know, put a different rear end unit in it and make fourth twist a little more.
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside.
They need to actually give these dirt trucks, like actual stagger. Because there's not even a stagger option, really.
514 gear works better on the open server.
Yeah.
Can you
Get
get down the
ready,
bottom
going
and still
green.
be alright?
It's still not good enough, but it's better.
Yeah, 'cause starting on the inside, I just kept
Pace
shooting
car is
over.
in. Green flag, green flag. Inside, clear inside, car inside, inside, clear.
Sorry, 10. We got hooked up and I couldn't turn off yet.
That was on you that time, Fuller.
Car outside, still there, hold your line, clear. Outside, clear. Car outside, clear. Outside, you've got 5 laps to go, clear. Outside, clear outside. Outside, clear outside. You've got 2 laps to go. White flag, 1 more lap to go. Go low,
Good race, man.
go low. Slow car down low, car outside, clear outside. You're on the bottom, 3 wide, go high.
I didn't do shit.
All right,
Somebody
there's
decided to
the
go
checkered
Hail
flag.
Mary in the last corner.
Great job, you did really
Yeah, I
well.
hit throttle too much in the rubber and it spun me sideways in the middle of 3 and 4. Sorry about that, below you. I know where to go.
Good win, 11.
Yeah, good win. It was a good race.